When the hips are floating, the upper body becomes unstable, and it's difficult to keep up with the opponent's sudden movements and respond in time. In addition, it's easy for the attacker to notice the preliminary movements of the technique, making it easier for the attacker to counter. There's reason why beginners often lose points. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Karate Mask. In this video, I'm going to talk about the characteristics of common Kumite errors in 3 separate videos: attack, defense, and stance. This time, I'm going to talk about common Kumite errors in defense. In the beginning, when you attack in Kumite, you may not always know why you're attacked. This video will help you understand the basic essential to avoid being attacked by your opponent in Kumite. In conclusion, the first step is to look at yourself, not at your opponent. And I also give you an important note at the end to do this practice. Before starting lesson, this channel is designed to support beginners who want to start karate or who want to get black belt. And I pull out the video to show karate tips and training methods for beginners. Please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss it, because this video has the advantage that you will be able to practice and improve efficiently. Then let's get it started. Errors during Kumite. Floating hips. When the hips are floating, the upper body becomes unstable, and it's difficult to keep up with the opponent's sudden movements and respond in time. In addition, it's easy for the attacker to notice the preliminary movements of the technique, making it easier for the attacker to counter. There's reason why beginners often lose points. Solution. The first step in learning footwork in Kumite is to get used to the back and forth motion. A good way to practice is to do repetitive side jumps. The width of your feet should be wide enough to easily do repetitive side jumps. If your feet are too narrow, this move is impossible. So relax your knees and lower your head height. Then your upper body will be stable and you will get used to these movements. If you don't know how wide your feet should be, try Shikodachi first. Please check out my past video for the detailed explanation. Let's put into practice. Once you get used to these movements, let's try it in practice. If your body is facing straight ahead, it will be difficult. So you should hold your body diagonally or sideways. From this point on, there are 2 major postures depending on the player, but let's try both. I won't explain the characteristic of each stance in this time, but first choose the stance that suits you best, and when you get used to it, you will be able to do both. Now, let's try the movements I just described. Be careful not to let the back foot go too far outward or inward. The position of the back foot also changes during diagonal movements, but let's focus only on straight line movement this time. Keeping the upper sole in the straight line makes it easier to move. Now relax your knees. You can always respond to your opponents and keep a constant distance from me. When you get used to it, try to move diagonally by putting your back foot outward. Further practice. How was it? In Kumite, the first important thing is to stabilize the lower body and avoid getting hit rather than attacking. This will be utilized in attack and defense. Learn this footwork to build the foundation of your Kumite. Please subscribe to my channel for more video on attack and stance in the next installment of this series. No wonder everyone cannot do it at first. The key is the ability to continue. If you can do this, you will be quickly approach the level of black belt. If you think this video good, please leave a comment. It will encourage me. See you in the next video. Bye bye.